Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix RAM Mhz. First, always consult your motherboard's manual to confirm maximum supported RAM speeds, preventing compatibility issues. Next, physically inspect your RAM modules. Ensure they are firmly seated in their slots, as loose connections cause instability. Finally, update your system's BIOS or UEFI. An outdated BIOS might not fully support your RAM's advertised speeds, so this is a crucial step for optimal performance. Once in your BIOS or UEFI, navigate to the memory settings. Look for an option called XMP, DOCP, or AXMP. These profiles are pre-configured settings that allow your RAM to run at its advertised speed, often much higher than the default JEDEC standard. Enabling the correct profile, usually Profile 1, will automatically adjust timings and voltage for stable operation, unlocking your RAM's full potential. If XMP or DOCP doesn't work, you might need to configure your RAM manually. Start by setting the frequency to a stable value, perhaps one step below its advertised speed. Then, adjust primary timings like CAS latency, TRCD, TRP, and TRAS according to your RAM's specifications. Finally, consider a slight increase in DRAM voltage, perhaps by 0.05 volts, to ensure stability. Always proceed cautiously with voltage adjustments. After making any changes, save your BIOS settings and reboot your system. Once in your operating system, it's vital to test for stability. Use memory diagnostic tools like memtest86 to check for any errors. Additionally, run stress tests for several hours to ensure your system remains stable under load. This thorough testing confirms your RAM is operating correctly at its new speed without issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.